In front of me is Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access system and updates. Then tap on simple mode here and choose enable at the bottom. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, easy mode was successfully activated. If you want to go back to the standard one, click on settings again. Select exit simple mode at the bottom and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!